One question you might have after looking at your homework is, what does it mean for a figure to be congruent? The word figure is just a fancy word for the word shape, so don't be confused by that. If we're looking at this arrow, for example, a congruent shape would have be the exact same size and look exactly the same as this arrow, just like this one over here. These two arrows are congruent because they are the same shape and the exact same size. If I, for 1 minute, for example, if I took that same shape as before and rotated it, it would still be congruent because it's the same shape and the same size. So all three arrows that you see on this page are congruent. I could do another arrow that was pointing straight up. As long as it is the same size and the same shape, it is still congruent with the other arrows. If I did something a little bit different, and this time I had a very long arrow, it is no longer congruent with the first four because it is not the same size, although it keeps the same shape. So again, the arrow can be oriented or rotated or turned or flipped in any way as long as it holds the same shape, and as long as it is the same size, the arrows are congruent. So to review, these four arrows are congruent. This long one is not congruent.